Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a 5-minute no makeup look, and this video is sponsored today by Neutrogena. As a busy mom, I just don't have the time to do full coverage every single day. Actually, in 2017, I really have this rhythm with the no makeup look because it's like I don't want to go outside not wearing any makeup because I do love makeup, but then I also don't want to wear full coverage every single day. Created like a little system that works for me. Some of the products that I'm loving is the Neutrogena. This is the Hydro Boost lip gloss. I actually have it on right now. I love that it's tinted and it gives you like that really nice finish. It's not sticky. It's just such a great product. A wide variety of selection with colors, which I love. The Hydrating Lip Boost just has your lips feeling amazing for up to 24 hours. I love this color. It's so nice and subtle. What I'm also loving amongst all of their amazing other products is the Skin Clearing Mineral Powder. And what I love about this product is, especially like in my T-zone area, it gets really oily, really cakey when I have a bunch of makeup on. So this powder is it just gives a nice finish. I have it on right now and I absolutely love it. It comes with the applicator, and the applicator, you have two sides, which the orange side gives like a lighter coverage and then the white side gives a fuller coverage, which I absolutely love. The best part about this product to me is that it prevents breakouts. Like breakouts are no joke. I definitely experienced having it was like full-blown breakouts. So I'm happy to find this product. I'm happy to use it, and I love the way it makes my skin finish. Without further ado, let's get started with the video.